Estacada, Oregon, on January 16th, 2007. We're having a little snowstorm today. It's really beautiful here. That crunching you're hearing is me walking in the snow. If you hear a smash, it's me falling in the snow. We're about maybe an hour from downtown Portland. And not far from Mount Hood. Walking towards a large Christmas tree field, which is not part of our yard. It's just some growers. Down below here, which is behind where we live, is a little creek. I don't want to take a chance and go down there. Oop! Oop! Slipped. Oh, this is really pretty. Old tree. The woods. I'll be quiet just in case maybe that sound is the creek. Winter Wonderland in